I blend that out. I'll show you in an Instagram video if you'll ask me. Like I'll try to talk.
Let's go.
First time watching me, my name is Divya. I make videos which are related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and a lot of more things which I have not started doing yet, but I'll be doing soon. So please stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I thought of making a favorites video. These kind of videos are like my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. Like I am obsessed with favorite videos because they're kind of like a mini review of everything from, like, I don't know, different YouTubers do different kind of favorites, but like I include everything from fashion, beauty to lifestyle kind of things, like wherein I'll be telling you certain apps and all a bunch of random places where you can go and eat, because that's one thing that I do a lot. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I just go, like I binge eat on weekends. I just go out a lot on weekends. So yeah, bye Instagram. Shameless promo once again. But yeah, if you are not following me on Instagram, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It'll help me a lot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I'll start with fashion favorites because they are not many. Like I am not been wearing a lot of things because I go to work and all of that, so I don't get to wear a lot of casual clothes. But yeah, I do have a favorite, and it is this black t-shirt that you would have seen in my Zara haul also. I'll try to insert a picture here. And this is really comfortable, and I have styled it in so many ways. Like every weekend, there are like around 4 weekends which come in a month, and almost 3 of the weekends I was wearing this shirt. So t-shirt. So yeah, this is one of my favorites definitely. And the next favorite that, okay, wait, now I'm down. Yeah. So the next favorite that I have, you must have seen on my Instagram, are these mustard colored heels. I said it right this time. I know. I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, these are the it's the mustard colored heels because golden yellow will be in fashion for spring 19 and summer 19, so that's that. It's a very beautiful color, and I think it makes any basic outfit look really put together and stylish. So that is that. Another favorite of mine is my movie pants, which I'm not able to locate right now. So I'm probably gonna insert a picture of that too, and the ways I styled it, if I find all the ways that I styled it in. So yeah, those were for the fashion favorites. Now I'll jump right into skincare and beauty. So I'll start with beauty. It's not like I don't use everything. I do use everything, but there are certain products which I want to change and certain products that I don't want to change. So the first one, I have to, like, now I have to go down because I have to pick things.
One eternity later.
Beauty favorites, I have this mascara by Maybelline. It is the Hypercool mascara. It is really so good. I mean, it makes my lashes look so good, and I just put 1 or 2 coats because I don't want to hurt my eyelashes on day-to-day basis. And also there is the water, like not the waterproof version, because I don't like a waterproof mascara on a day-to-day basis. So that is that. And I also use this for my eyebrows. I don't fill them in, I don't do anything, just brush them with this mascara and that's it, and it looks so much on point and, you know, very natural, if I have to put it like that. So yeah, that's why I love this mascara. So my next favorite is this Khadi Herbal Rose Water from Khadi, of course. It's a toner, and as you can see, I'm already through this bottle, and I guess this is my second bottle, and I use this for everything, for removing my makeup, because I feel this is not very harsh on my skin. It's just rose water, how harsh can it be? So yeah, and also it does not have any chemicals, it's just made with rose petals. So I love this toner a lot. I use it for everything, for removing my makeup, for just toning it, like after, like before moisturizing, after washing my face, I just put this on my face. That's that. The next beauty favorite that I have is this scrub from Beautyco. It's the strawberry variant. It's a body scrub and it is bomb. Like legit, this thing is good. It feels like a scrub. It exfoliates really nicely, but yet after you're done taking a shower, your skin feels so soft. Like my skin felt so soft. I used it even today. Like I used it on the daily, and it is so amazing. This is so freaking good. And I have been using scrubs for quite a long time now. Like since I was in 11th standard, I believe. And not a lot of scrubs do that. So yeah, I have been through a long cycle. Also, I love the Body Shop one. If you have ever used it, even that is good. The Body Shop shea butter one, that's good. If you get your hands on that, that's also good. But this is a very affordable option. This one retailed for 300. This one retailed for 399 rupees. Like it says 599, but there was an offer going on Beautyco. So I hope if you can still find an offer, do get your hands on these. The next beauty favorite I have is a lipstick, not a lipstick, two lipstick actually. This one is Matte Me, the In Color Matte Me in the shade N420, and the Nykaa, it is in the Nykaa, I don't know, this is the matte one or something. I forgot this series of lipstick, but yeah, this is in number 12. Oh yeah, this is the paint stick. Yeah, this is the paint stick. So actually I'm obsessed with the technique. So what I do is I line my lips with this, and then I fill it with this, and it looks like this. The shade that I have on my lips right now. I have had put this lipstick in this way, these lipstick in this way since my past videos. Like I wear them on the daily, like every day. This is the lip combo that I'm wearing. So moving on to hair. As you can see, as you people have noticed, I know I got a lot of compliments on my hair, and I'm thankful. Thank you so much for liking my hair. I love them too. And for my hair, I'm obsessed with the hair color that I have right now. It sort of comes out too brighter on the screen, but in real life it's a little more subtle, and it's a nice burgundy shade, and it gives those beautiful highlights. So this is that color. I'm obsessed with my colored hair. And also the serum. I'm obsessed with the serum. It's from L'Oreal Professional, the series Expert, the series Expert. It's a Primrose oil which is Liss Unlimited. It actually prevents your hair from getting frizzy, and it's good for straight hair, people with straight hair. So on days when I put this serum, my hair is straight like a stick. Like naturally also I have had straight hair all my life, like straight as a stick, like because earlier I used to get a straight haircut all my childhood until 8th standard, up until 9th standard. In 9th standard I got my first steps and all of that. Then it started becoming a little wavy in the end, but otherwise my hair was straight as a stick, like it was just like that. There was no waviness, no nothing. So when I put this serum on and I blow dry my hair, God, it looks so beautiful. I don't even need straightening or anything of that sort. It is straight as shit. And that's enough trash talk for now. Next favorite, since I have my hair colored, I am obsessed with this coconut oil. It's from Coco Soul. I don't know. It's 100%. No, it is oh God, what is wrong with you? It is 100% natural oil, and actually this is the variant, like this is the cooking oil actually, and I put it on my hair because this thing will help you a lot if you have colored hair, and you know you want to save yourself from complaining कि मेरे बाल dry हो रहे हैं और ऐसा हो रहा है और वैसा हो रहा है. And like obviously coloring takes a lot of toll on your hair, so you need to give back to your hair. So coconut oil is a good way to do that. Kim Kardashian does that. Come on now. Like she dips her hair in the coconut oil water bottle. So if you want to go and color your hair, go ahead and color your hair, and don't worry about the damage. You can take care of your hair with that oil. It's the cooking oil, I'm just telling you once again, because if it is good for your gut, it is obviously good for your hair application, right? So the next thing that I'm obsessed with this month is this. Quelle surprise, it's a perfume. Yeah, actually, if you know me, I'm a huge fan of perfumes. I just love perfumes. I don't know, I cannot even, love is an underrated word for me when it comes to perfumes. I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna say it. I just love perfumes a lot. So if you're someone I love, I probably would give you a perfume. Like that's what I, like if like the word love is connected to perfume, so I gift it to my brother and I try gifting it to my friends. And if you haven't received a perfume from me, that means I don't love you, so good luck. No, I'm just kidding. We're probably not there on that page yet. So yeah, this is a perfume by Zara. It's the Bright Rose one. Bright Rose, I don't know, that's the name of the perfume. It's so freaking good. It's sold out everywhere. This was the last piece. This was the last piece that was left in the store. It's a really good perfume. It has the notes of rose, patchouli, and another thing which I'm forgetting, but I'll probably mention it down below. It's a very beautiful scent. Like, oh my god. God, I can just bathe in perfume. I just love perfume from all of my heart. Like, God, I just love perfume. I cannot even say it. Like, the word, it's just interconnected. You know, perfumes, why do I give perfume? It's because I want to, you know, build memories. This just reminds me of good things. Perfumes just remind me of good things, of people. Like, that's the reason, the whole point of giving a perfume, to remind the person about you. It's, I don't know, I have a weird analogy, and I think it is scientifically proven that smells remind us of things. So perfumes are the best way to do that. That's why I love perfumes. And if you find a better and stronger word from, like, except for love, just let me know. That's me for perfume. We belong together. This is that. For my gym favorites, I have this sports bra. It's ulta right now. Yeah, this sports bra from Zivame. It gives you such good support. There's a mesh here in the back. Like, it's mesh, so you can see through it. It's beautiful and it gives you nice support, and it is also padded. You can remove the pads, but this is a really good sports bra, so it does not give you like pancakes. It does give you support, a lift, and also you know, it does not make them look sandwiched like a pancake. But yeah, it really does wonders for your boobies. So now I'll share just some random favorites of mine, and firstly I'll start with books, and here it is. It's Becoming by Mrs. Michelle Obama, and I'm a huge fan of Mrs. Michelle Obama. I just love her. I love the ideology like she spreads around, and I have heard all of her speeches and interviews, and I am just a huge fan. I'm a really huge fan. I'm so inspired by her, and the way she asks women to, you know, stand up for themselves, and I just love her. I just love her. You need to watch, if you haven't watched all her interviews and speeches yet, you should definitely watch them. And it was her birthday also in January. So yeah, I bought this. It's her memoir, and I highly recommend that you read this memoir. And if you're looking for a book to read, if not, you can still read it. It's a really good memoir. So yeah, that is that. Another favorite for the month is this planner. It is basically like, I would show what my planner looks like, but it's just my plans and I don't want to show all my plans to you. But okay, I'll show you a spare page. So here it says top 4 goals of the day, and then today's schedule and to-do list, and then here is notes, and then important calls and emails, and you have meals, you have exercise, and you can rate yourself. So it's a pretty good daily planner, and it only retailed for 285 or 385. I don't exactly remember, but it is really good. You can get this on Amazon.com, and it's just a nice way to keep yourself on track every day, because for a person like me who has to go to office and also film videos, and also I'm like trying to read that book, and like I am trying to do a lot of things together, so it's just better for me to put this in that planner so that I at least go through 5 pages of a book, or listen to a podcast every day. So this thing helps a lot. So I highly recommend you get a planner for yourself. If you are not motivated yet, get a planner, people. Now moving on to apps. This app was in my phone since the longest time, and I used to listen a cat story on it, but I didn't stop doing it. But I started it again, and oh my god, it's really good. It's the Calm app. Wait, okay, now my Instagram is, there are a lot of notifications. Anyway, people should stop texting me right now. So yeah, this is how the app looks, and you can go to meditate. So I'm currently doing the 7 days of focus. I am through day 1, and there are 7 days, and then you can finish through the 7 days, and it's a very brilliant app. You should definitely give this app a try if you're trying to build focus and concentration and all of that. Moving on to TV series, I will suggest, like I have watched a lot of TV series. I know you guys must be wondering how am I doing all of that. That planner, you see, everything you write it down there and then you can do it. So yeah, I watched Gotham, I watched Suits again. Gotham, I would suggest you to watch it, but I don't know, I was just so down watching it. Although I'm a very, I am kind of into superheroes a lot, like a lot. I just love it. I can talk theories and all of those things. I'm crazy about fiction, and I just love all that. But I don't know if I'm sure about Gotham yet, because for me it is a really slow moving TV series, if you call it. But yeah, if you're looking for something fun, and I know a person is going to kill me for this, because I was suggested to watch this long back, but I did not watch it. But once I started watching it, I was obsessed. If you're looking for something which is light-hearted, it's comedy and also solving crime and all of that, you can start watching Brooklyn 99. It's on Netflix, so please go watch it. If you like it, do let me know. And for places, so if you are in Thane, if you live somewhere around here in Thane, and you are looking for a place to order takeaway, there's a new restaurant called Zippy which has opened up. They're offering a lot of offers right now, like free desserts and 25% off on everything, and free delivery and all of that, so you can order through there. And they have the best dahi bhallas. It's called the Chandni Chowk dahi bhallas. It's really good, so you should definitely try that. And for songs, I am obsessed with Lamborghini. I know, right? And I'm also going back to a lot of James Blunt, You're Beautiful, and all of those things. But I'm excited about Gully Boy, and I love all of those songs. I just love it, and I love the trailer and all the dialogues in it. Like, God, it's amazing. Ranveer Singh has done such a tremendous acting, singing and all of that. He's the boss, come on now. And also Alia Bhatt, she's also a phenomenal actor. Like, I don't have to say anything, but yeah, it's amazing. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm obsessed with all of those tracks. So that is it for all the favorites, all the things that I've been hooked on to in the month of January. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys found it helpful, like the mini reviews. It is sort of like a mini review for everything, and I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, friends, and please help me get to 500 subscribers. We are going to hit 500 subscribers really soon, and I'm having my fingers crossed that we are going to do that. And I'm also planning to do a giveaway. So I don't know, just tell me if I should do it on 500 or on 1000 subscribers. I'm not sure, I'm confused. I actually want to do it on 500 also. We'll see, I'll plan. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I said it already, but I really hope you enjoyed it. I love doing what I'm doing. I try to take a lot of time out from my permanent job that I'm doing, and try to film it. I really put in a lot of efforts. So it really means a lot to me if you guys subscribe and support my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you.